And joining us now is former Husky and former NBA player Eldridge Recasner. Played 8 years in the association. He joins us now. And first of all, I know there's a lot to get to. He's got a great father and son basketball camp coming up June 14th. That's the weekend before Father's Day. And before we talk about the NBA playoffs, let's talk about this camp, because it's your second annual camp, and you must take a lot of pride in it.
Yeah, I did it for the first time last year. I kind of heard about it following John Calipari on Twitter and saw that Kentucky was doing the father-son camp. Decided to do one. Had a great turnout last year. Had three-time Hall of Famer Lenny Wilkens come out and speak, along with the reigning NBA Six-Man of the Year, Jamal Crawford. It just was a fun time to see dads and their sons interact on the basketball court.
You said you got the idea from, you saw it on Calipari's thing, but what does it involve? When you say father-son, what does that involve in the camp?
Well, I try to stress in the camp, talking to your kid about playing sports, because as you probably well know, when your kids have a youth game, that ride home can be one of the worst times of a kid's life. So I really try to push to the dads, don't beat your kid up so much because they didn't have a great game, and just try to talk to them about letting the kids enjoy the experience of playing a sport. That's basically what it is for me. But also the dads and the son get out there, they get a chance to play some 2-on-2. We play a hot shot competition. We do a lot of fun games, and it's a good time.
Okay, so the father and the son are basically a team.
A team.
So it's never like the dads against the sons, right? It's just
No.
the father and son team up.
But some of the dads forget and blocking the kid's shot. In the second and third grade, so it got a little out of hand last year. I got to kind of reel it back in.
Yeah, I would imagine. See, that's a great lesson for all the dads out there. I mean, and you know who you are too, because you do it. But there's got to be a point where you're trying to teach sportsmanship not only to the kids but to the fathers and the parents.
Exactly. I'm trying to present a situation where you have a bonding experience, because I even participated with my son, who's a third grader, and it was awesome to go out there, man, and play the hot shot competition with him, see him hit a shot, see his eyes light up, do the 2-on-2 contest. I just set the screens. I let him shoot all the balls, so he was happy about that. But it was a really, really good bonding experience. I think most of the dads that participated last year really enjoyed it.
Okay, where's it going to be, and how can people get involved?
It's going to be at the Mercer Island, Mercer View Community Center, which is right off of I-90 on the north side of the island, right next to Luther Burbank Park. And for those folks that are interested, you can visit eldridgerecasner.com and sign up and register.
Okay, what's the cost?
The cost is $195 per father-son couple. Includes a free lunch and also a camp T-shirt.
And it's an all-day thing, Saturday, June 14th.
June 14th, 9:30 to 5:30.
That sounds like a cool thing. Most guys have camps, but this is a little unique, and it's great. A great chance for fathers and sons to get together and spend a day together. So, all right, but that's a great deal. Now, let's talk, before we let you go, about the NBA playoffs. Who do you like at this point? Because the Spurs are steamrolling. There's some other teams playing well.
Well, in the West, initially, the Seattle folks are not going to like this, but I was pulling for OKC, man. I love Kevin Durant. I love Russell Westbrook. And then the big dog in the East, man, I think is the Miami Heat. I just don't see anybody beating them. The Heat are handling their business, and I think LeBron is gonna three-peat.
Okay, that's my next question. So he gets to the finals and he wins it.
I think so. He's KD's the MVP of the league this year. He had a great season, but LeBron's the man. He's the man. And the Heat, they've been there before. They've got the experience, and they're taking care of their business the way we all thought they would. And as we said out west, I can't forget about San Antonio. The oldie but goodies, man. They're playing so good basketball, but I think they're going to come up short in the end again this year.
Yeah, it's been fun to watch for sure. It's been a great NBA postseason so far. Eldridge Recasner, again, the father-son camp, June 14th. And you go to eldridgerecasner.com and check it out and get your tickets and get involved. Father and son, great opportunity for the kids to bond with old dad. All right, Eldridge, appreciate you coming on, and good luck with the camp.
Thanks, Paul. Thanks for having me, man.